Our body designed by some lakh crores of cells. In that every cell need oxygen. If there is any change, it leads to death of the cell. Then it leads to death of tissue. Every cell need oxygen and nutrients are supplied and also transport waste from the cell to out of the body. It also supplies hormones released by the brain to different organs of the body. All these there is a system, that is circulatory system. This system is not small. If we connect all the blood vessels, then the length is 1 lakh kilometers. It means we can make 2 rounds around the earth. Understand that how much long transportation system is there in us. In 6 feet human, 1 lakh kilometer transportation system. Is it really a miracle, isn't it? Everyone can surprise to know about this circulatory system, its working method, what care we have to take, what mistakes we don't want to do. Let us see all clearly in this video. In this circulatory system, there are three main parts: blood vessels, heart. First, the blood how start from the heart, circulate to all over the body parts, and again reach to the heart. How this process is there? Let us see. First, heart. It is in center and always pumps blood for all parts of the body. The speed of heartbeat based on the size of the body of creature. If the body of creature is large, then the heartbeat speed is low. If the body of creature is small, then the speed of heartbeat is high. Generally, heartbeat of human 72 times per minute, but blue whale heartbeat is 8 times per minute. Shrew, a rat-like animal's heartbeat is 1200 times per minute. If one's heartbeat, 30 ml of blood sent out from the heart. First, from all parts, blood goes to heart, and this heart send this blood to lungs because all this blood is full of carbon dioxide. Through lungs, carbon dioxide sent out and the oxygen which come from outside fill into the blood. If we see the blood, a normal man had 5 liters of blood, but a newly born baby had only 1 cup of blood. In blood, we have white blood cells, red blood cells, platelets, plasma. Also, iron, chromium, manganese, zinc, copper. Mainly, we can also find gold also is there. In human body, in total blood we can find 0.2 milligrams of gold. We mainly want to see red blood cells. These are in disc shape. RBCs are transport carbon dioxide and oxygen to whole body. In RBC there is no nuclei, so the not divide. So these give huge space for hemoglobin molecules. In one drop of blood there is 5 million red blood cells. In one red blood cell there is 27 crores of hemoglobin molecules. In every hemoglobin molecule transport 4 molecules of oxygen. So every red blood cell take 100 crores of oxygen molecules. Generally, red blood cells live for 120 days and die in bone from central harrow portion called bone marrow. Always new red blood cells will born. In every second, 30 lakhs of red blood cells die. In place of that red blood cells, new red blood cells will origin. In every heartbeat, the blood enter into blood vessels. The blood vessels are three types. They are arteries. Arteries transport blood from heart to all parts of the body. Next, veins. Veins transport blood from all parts of the body to heart. Capillaries. These capillaries are 10 times thinner than hair. You can understand how small are they. Now let us see these systems structure and function. First, in lungs, blood fill up oxygen and reach heart. Then heart send total blood to all parts through the arteries. At the end of arteries, we find capillaries. Through the holes of walls of capillaries, the nutrients and oxygen sent to every cell, and CO2 produced in cellular respiration, and some waste products sent into blood. At the another end of the capillaries, we have veins. They transport blood filled with CO2 to heart. Again, send this blood to lungs. All these are closed path. In any injury, if the blood vessels cut down and start bleeding, to prevent this bleeding, the platelets in the blood form like a layer and prevent bleeding. What we have discussed process means once blood start from heart to the body parts and again body parts to heart transported in 20 seconds. The blood which go from heart, 20% of blood go to kidneys, where kidneys remove the waste and excessive water from blood. Remove. Like every minute of cup blood filtered in kidneys, 15% of blood goes to brain. Whatever is there, but always blood supply must and should to brain. In few seconds, blood is not supplied to the brain. Then brain get into unconscious state and blood vessels damaged and maybe never recover. The blood vessels which go to brain are also useful as defensive system to brain and protect brain. This is called blood-brain barrier. These thin blood vessels stop virus and bacteria entering into the brain. The nails and hair are composed of dead cells, so they don't need oxygen and nutrients through blood. The cornea is only living cells where blood is not supplied, because we want to see anything, want to be cornea transparent. If then only we see clear. If there is blood vessels, it make difficult to vision, so the blood is not reached to the cornea. They directly get oxygen from hair. If any person want to be healthy, then the circulatory system of him must be proper. If we eat more junk food, it leads to form excessive cholesterol and fat. This excessive cholesterol and fat deposit on the walls of blood vessels and form a layer and make blood pathway tight and close. In these tight pathways, heart face difficulties to circulate blood and it leads to heart attack. These blood cells expand and construct to control the temperature of body. When we are in stress, the body vessels, the blood vessels lose the elastic nature and become sticky and also increase blood pressure. Sometimes blood vessels in the brain will blast. To maintain proper circulatory system, we have to do daily exercise, meditation, yoga, drinking more water, maintaining proper body weight, laughing, etc. Sitting for long time, wearing tight jeans, smoking is not good for our circulatory system. When we feel numbness, pain, etc., it means in that region the blood is not circulating. Okay friends, this is about circulatory system.